In this garden, it's coming for several countries in the world, of course. Some of the collection in this botanical garden, they put it in this house. Lanjut, Pak.
Ya. Jadi selamat pagi, morning ya. Selamat datang di Kebun Raya Utadi. Sebelum kita keliling, terlebih dahulu saya akan sampaikan tentang sekilas informasi tentang kebun raya.
Okay guys, first of all, welcome to the botanical garden at Purwodadi. This one is the Eco Park. Before we started tour in this Eco Park, I'm gonna explain some things about the historical of this Eco Park.
Ada 4 kebun raya di Indonesia yang sudah viral.
There is 4 big botanical garden or eco park in Indonesia that commonly viral.
Yaitu 1 botanical garden ya, Bogor Botanical Garden.
One of them is from my city, Bogor Botanical Garden.
Yang kedua Ciboda, Bunda Ciboda.
The second one is the Ciboda Eco Park.
Yang ketiga kebun raya Purwodadi.
And the third one is in here is the Purwodadi Eco Park.
Yang keempat adalah kebun raya Eka Karya Bali.
And the fourth one is located at Bali, the cultural park of
Kebun Eka Karya Bali.
Eka Karya
Bali. Ya, 4 kebun raya ini memiliki tugas fungsi yang sama.
The fourth of all the park has a same function in the institute, our research national institute.
Satu sebagai tempat konservasi eksistensi, konservasi tumbuhan.
So the first one is the conservation for all plant, especially the local or a plant that coming for the other country.
Yang kedua, penelitian tumbuhan.
And the second one is a place for research about the botanical one.
Yang ketiga, yaitu untuk edukasi.
And the third one is for the education.
Yang keempat, wisata flora.
And the fourth one is the place for us to have vacation, something like that, and then have a nice place for picnic or something like that.
Yang kelima, pelayanan jasa.
And the fifth one is for the public facilities.
Khusus kebun raya Purwodadi,
For this park, especially at Purwodadi Eco Park,
didirikan pada tanggal 30 Januari 1941.
so it's founded at
30 Januari
30 January 1941.
Luasnya 85 hektar.
Wow.
Ya.
It's really you know, this area is included until 850,000 meters cubic.
Iya.
Ya.
85 hektar. 85 hektar.
Ya.
Ya, kisaran suhu 22 sampai 32. 22 sampai 32 kisaran suhunya. Kisaran suhu.
So the temperature around this park is around 22 until
32 hektar.
32. degrees Celsius.
Curah hujan 23,72 mm. Rainfall from 23,72 mm.
The rain frequency is around 20 until 70.
There's 3 classes. Oh, saya baru tahu. Nah ini, tapi ini I have the another insurance that I use. That's from my. It's not from the national government. This one is from national government. If you need register to become a colleger, you need this one. Local people have it too. All people in Indonesia. There is 3 class.
Kelas 1 itu kalau iurannya sekitar 50.000
per bulan.
Itu yang membedakan itu kalau itu kan lebih dari 5 orang. Tapi kalau kelas 2
government control the people that we visit with by health center. Yeah,
You always need. every district
Yeah,
always have.
every district maybe there are four